Why is the zero slanted? Because I really like when the zero is slanted because it's so neat, and I really wish they made it like that as the 2010 20th Century Fox style. No, it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to the two. Well, not the two. The zero is supposed to be normal. And the two as well needs to be a lot more regular. Why does it say Crazy Indian Boy 95 Studios production? Because I like Crazy Indian Boy 95 Studios production. No. It's not supposed to say Crazy Indian Boy 95 Studios production. It is supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Why does it say GeoSword 2011 Studios Inc.? Because I like GeoSword 2011 Studios Inc. No! Not supposed to be like that. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo completely destroyed? Because I like it destroyed and I wish it would be Foxstar Studios. Or, plus I was just kidding about what I said. I was not jealous of the logo. It's just so boring. So, you still have to pick it whether you like it or not. And no more picking 20th Century CTS. Cut. Why does it say 40th? Well, why does it say 40th blah 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 minus 1969 to 2010? Because I was making you want to learn Chinese or Japanese or whatever this is. Seriously, you have no idea what you're saying. Plus, I own the studio. If you did, then you... Well, no. You don't own the studio. I do. So, if I were you, I would pick 20th Century Fox instead. Who said that? why does it say 20th Century Fox Television, and why does it look so old? Because it is. Well, no picking old logos. Why is the rabbit on the 20th Century Fox structure? Because I like the rabbit. Ha 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 ha. No, it's not supposed to say rabbit. Really? It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Plus, it doesn't even say rabbit. It looks. Never mind. Nothing's a lie. I don't know what I'm talking about. Cut! You're not allowed to pick logos twice. Well, I forgot. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. No, you did not. Oh, yeah? How do you like this? Ooh, now you really crossed the line this time, boy. I'm this close to smacking you with a butt smacker. You really think there's such a thing as a butt smacker? Cut. Why does it have to say 20th Century Fox? Because 20th Century Fox is going to a pound in the box. I get it now, but you are so... No wonder you have to be so ungrateful for 20th Century Fox instead. You're so rude. The only thing you must be ungrateful about is the other logos. And no more picking Pond 5 logos. You're gonna like this one. Cut. Why does it say 20th Designer Lori? Because I like 20th Designer Lori. Because I'm going to show your ugly face in a magazine. I'm not ugly, you are. Just look at your face. Look in the mirror. Nope. I am not looking in the mirror because no one is ugly. Well, except ugly people. Cut. Why does it say DJ Upindi Presente Les Chipmunks? Because I like DJ Upindi Presente Les Chipmunks. It's not supposed to say that. It is supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Cut. Why does it say 30th Leonardo Lopez? Because I like the 30th Leonardo Lopez. No, it's not supposed to say 30th Leonardo Lopez. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Plus, this is your last chance. Hello? Don't even blabber. Because it's been 11 minutes since we were recording. Almost 12. So you're picking this logo whether you like it or not. Oh, a really brand new video. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Now get out of here. Okay.